Hello there. I just wanted to walk you through a little bit of NoteQuest app for those who are new to it. And right now I'm just going to cover Note Class, which is the original NoteQuest app. It covers notes and intervals, meaning single notes and two notes at a time. And the intervals is really key because the intervals are really the pathway towards real music learning and being able to read music. We'll go through and we'll select piano mode. I'm going to choose virtual piano because I'm away from my piano. Otherwise, it will hear me play at the piano. And what you'll get is this free set of landmark notes tutorials. And what landmark notes are the first few notes you learn at the piano that really help guide your way around to recognizing other notes on the staff. And a lot of modern piano teachers have really adopted this way of learning your first few notes. Here's the first three landmarks, F, C, and G. Next, time for the three C's. We have cow C, middle C, and face C. I love those names, thanks to Lee Levis. And we're gonna add two more C's for the five C's. And now we're gonna go to add the two final landmarks, which is called high G or outer space G and low F, otherwise known as basement F. And after you've done that, then you feel ready to play, then you can play. I'm going to choose the landmark notes menu, and see all these levels and landmark notes, they come with the free download, but they're only 15-second quick mini drills. So I'm going to choose the three C's. And here's my virtual keyboard there. As you can see, there's no sound, and for some reason the audio gets blocked when I'm doing a video, but you can trust that it will sound when you play. And I am scrolling up and down the virtual piano. And there we go, I scored 8 points. And I can actually just repeat these exercises as much as I'd like to do. The other thing that's kind of cool is when you press the hint button, the little star appears on the note if you're kind of confused as to where you should go. And that I didn't do so great, so it wants me to try again. All right, also note that all my top scores will be recorded in the stats section, which is from the main menu. And here, earlier I did achieve 3 stars, so there's that. And then what you can also do is swipe left, and I can email my scores to a teacher or a parent, or I can delete and start again. When I go into Note Class again, I'll show you more of the levels here. And I'm going to open Note Class. And when I upgrade to Pro, I get 4 more levels, plus I get something called Interval Selector. And so here, Rising Star, I get all those notes included. In Two-Stepper, I get 2 note intervals included. And Navigator, I get that range with sharps and flats. And the Master level 5, you get everything all mixed. Here's Interval Selector. I can choose between seconds and steps. So all of the answers will be intervals of seconds. And here I'll get intervals of thirds. So it's really isolating those drills for a little bit more customization. And there you go, there's Note Class. Watch out for the other videos coming up that will feature Note Fit.